In this video, you'll learn the essential workflow for dropshipping on eBay. This guide will walk you through sourcing products, creating listings, and fulfilling orders efficiently. To begin, you must identify reliable suppliers for the products you intend to sell. Research potential suppliers to verify their inventory availability and shipping times. It is crucial that the supplier can ship directly to your buyers to avoid any logistical issues as you evaluate suppliers, track their pricing, and calculate your profit margins accurately. Reliable sourcing is critical for smooth dropshipping operations, as proper preparation can help you avoid delays and issues later on. Once you have established a reliable supplier, the next step is to list your products on eBay. Start by creating professional listings that include clear titles and detailed descriptions. Set competitive prices and ensure that you provide accurate shipping details. Utilize high-quality images from the supplier or your own, as visually appealing listings can significantly increase sales potential. If your products have variation options, such as different colors or sizes, make sure to include these in your listings. Before publishing, double-check all listing details to ensure accuracy. After listing your products, it's time to fulfill orders as they come in. When a buyer places an order, promptly forward the order details to your supplier for shipment. It is important to upload tracking information to eBay as soon as it becomes available. This transparency helps keep buyers informed about their order status. In the event of any delays or issues, maintain communication with your buyers to manage their expectations. Monitoring your seller metrics is essential to maintaining performance standards on eBay. Accurate fulfillment is key to ensuring positive feedback from buyers. Efficiently managing your workflow can help build a successful dropshipping business. By staying organized and responsive, you enhance the overall customer experience, which can lead to repeat business and referrals. Always keep an eye on your operations to identify areas for improvement. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.